Good morning, everybody. As you can tell, I am not in my usual truck. I'm in our shop truck. Phew, forgive me for being a little winded. We just stopped off here at Stowers Equipment, picked up some batteries for a machine. We're gonna go put them in now. This machine hadn't been started since Christmas, so it's kind of giving me the batteries were dead in it. But we're going to be using it to put a counterweight on a smaller machine. We've got a 349 that's down, and we're going to be putting the counterweight back on the 336 excavator. This is a side y'all you normally don't get to see. Usually with our setups we can haul the machine in one piece, but in certain circumstances they're still too heavy, so we have to take the machine apart, be it the buckets, the sticks, the booms, and most of the time the counterweight is a big part of it. This counterweight weighed about 18,000 pounds, so took quite a bit of weight off of the machine to haul it out of North Carolina. But this is a side that you normally don't get to see because our mechanic takes care of it. We're going to be going up there today to help him put it back on, so I'll try to get some shots of that if the sun will cooperate. It is extremely bright right now, not a cloud in the sky, so they don't look like any hope for shade. So we'll catch y'all later. Be safe. Well, everybody, that was that. It went a whole lot smoother than normal, but when you've done it enough and you got good ground, a good flat ground to work on, it works very well. So you got to see something different today. Well, we got a call from the boss. We got a couple of pieces of move today, so we'll sign off, plug the cameras in, and we'll catch you back in a little while.